Hey, hi everyone. Welcome back to the channel of Learn English with Sonali, and I'm Sonali. So, friends, how are you all? I hope that you all are doing well. Friends, earlier in my one of videos, I shared with all of you that you can use Chat GPT application for learning English language, and of course you can practice with Chat GPT. But today in this video, I'm going to show you that how can you use Chat GPT application for practicing an English language, and or how it can be helpful for you to practice an English language. So friends, make sure that you will watch this video till the end, because it is going to be really helpful for you. So friends, let's get started. Hi ChatGPT.
Hey there, what's on your mind?
Uh, would you like to practice with me in English language?
Sure, I'd be happy to practice English with you. What specifically would you like to work on?
Can you tell me that why it is necessary to practice an English language if we want to learn English language?
Practicing English is important because it helps improve your speaking, listening, reading, and writing skills.
Okay, should I practice every day to speak in English language then?
Practicing every day can definitely help you improve faster, but it's also important to find a balance that works for you. Even practicing a few times a week can make a big difference over time. The key is consistency and making English a regular part of your routine.
Okay, so what can I do for learning English language? Which kind of activities I can do?
There are many activities you can try to improve your English skills. You can 1. Read books, articles, or websites in English. 2. Watch movies, TV shows, or YouTube videos in English. 3. Listen to English podcasts, music, or audiobooks. 4. Practice speaking with a language partner or tutor. 5. Write in English, such as keeping a journal or sending emails. 6. Use language learning apps or websites for interactive practice. 7. Join English language clubs or conversation groups. These activities can help you improve your vocabulary, grammar, pronunciation, and overall fluency in English.
Okay. When I speak in English language, sometimes I do not get words. Words do not come to my mind.
It's normal to have moments where you can't find the right words when speaking in a new language. One tip is to try describing the word you're thinking of, or use simpler words to express your idea. Also, practicing regularly can help expand your vocabulary and make it easier to recall words when you need them.
Okay. So how can I increase my vocabulary?
There are several ways to increase your vocabulary. 1. Read regularly. Books, articles, and other written materials expose you to new words and context. 2. Use a dictionary or vocabulary app. Look up unfamiliar words when you encounter them to learn their meanings and usage. 3. Keep a vocabulary journal. Write down new words you come across and review them regularly. 4. Practice with flashcards. Use flashcards to quiz yourself on new words and their meanings. 5. Engage in conversation. Talking with others in English exposes you to new words and helps reinforce your understanding. 6. Play word games. Games like crossword puzzles, word searches, and Scrabble can be fun ways to learn new vocabulary. By incorporating these activities into your routine, you can gradually expand your vocabulary and become more confident in using English.
If I do not have that environment to learn English language, then can I learn English language early?
While having an English-speaking environment can be helpful, it's not the only way to learn the language.
Okay, so should I focus on listening also while learning English language?
Yes, Listening is a crucial aspect of learning any language, including English. It helps you become familiar with the sounds, rhythm, and intonation of the language, which are important for understanding spoken English and improving your pronunciation. Listening to a variety of English audio materials, such as podcasts, music, movies, and conversations, can help train your ear and improve your overall language skills.
Okay, do you think that grammar is important for learning English language?
Yes, grammar is important for learning English language.
Okay. Actually, when I started to learn English language, I also focused on grammar.
That's great. Focusing on grammar will definitely help you build a strong foundation in English. Combined with other language skills like listening, speaking, reading, and writing, you'll be well on your way to becoming proficient in English. Keep up the good work.
Okay. Can you share me name of some applications which I can use for learning English language or to practice in English language?
Certainly. Here are some popular apps for learning and practicing English. 1. Duolingo. 2. Rosetta Stone. 3. Babbel. 4. HelloTalk. 5. Fluent U. 6. Quizlet. Anki. 8. Memrise. 9. Busan. Tandem. These apps offer a variety of features such as vocabulary practice, grammar lessons, speaking exercises, and language exchange opportunities. You can explore them and see which ones suit your learning style and preferences best.
Okay. Thank you so much. You helped me a lot.
You're welcome. I'm glad I could help. If you ever have more questions or need assistance in the future, don't hesitate to ask. Good luck with your English learning journey.
Thank you. Bye.
You're welcome. Goodbye and take care.
See, you can see here on the right side there is a sign of headphones, so you can click on it simply and start to converse it with ChatGPT in English language. It's really helpful for you to practice in English language. See, whatever you would ask, whatever questions you will ask ChatGPT, uh, you will find it in written form here. Okay, so you can simply type it here as well, any kind of question if you want to ask. It will really help you. I also use it sometime. So friends, in this way you can use ChatGPT application for practicing in English language, and I also use it sometime when I feel like I want to practice with someone in English language. It will be really helpful for you. So if you are new on this channel, then please subscribe this YouTube channel. If you want to know that how can you learn English language, if you want to know tips, techniques, if you have any doubt or question, you can ask me in the comment section. Or if you want me to make video on any particular topic related to learning English language, then let me know in the comment section. I will definitely try to make video on that topic so that it will be helpful for you. And like, share and comment as well. So friends, let's meet in the next video with the new topic. Until then, bye bye.